My name is Rachel Johnson, and I am an optical manufacturing engineer. Welcome to our Irvine World-Class Optics Manufacturing Center. In this video, we'll take you inside our advanced optics manufacturing facility located in Irvine, California. This building is designed in a long rectangular layout, with each section dedicated to specific manufacturing processes. The facility is structured to optimize production based on product type. It's organized into specialized manufacturing cells, each equipped with the necessary machinery and metrology tools to precisely produce different types of optics. Each manufacturing cell is color-coded to streamline the production process for specific types of optics. Each cell is equipped with CNC machines, traditional polishers, and metrology tools, allowing for precise monitoring throughout production. This ensures that each optic is closely aligned with the original specifications, minimizing any deviations. This facility manufactures A-spheres, cylinders, freeform shapes, and large plano optics in excess of 350 millimeters in diameter, not to mention complete optical assemblies as well. On the left side of this facility, you'll find the yellow cell, which is dedicated to the production of small spherical optics. On the right, this area is the beginning of the clean rooms for our optical coating chambers. We are renowned for our expertise in deep ultraviolet coatings, specializing in this field for over 15 years. The clean line room is equipped with tanks of deionized water with varying levels of cleanliness. As you can imagine, cleaning an optic before it gets coated is very important. If there is a speck of dust on the optical surface, which then gets coated, once that speck of dust falls off the surface, the imprint that is left becomes a dig or pit. At the back of the building, we manage our heavier manufacturing processes. On the left, we have two large state-of-the-art precision cutting machines for cutting raw materials, enabling us to create lightweight large optics. This is crucial because glass is heavy, and minimizing weight helps prevent surface deformation or sagging in larger optics. This is especially true for space applications. On the right side, you'll find continuous grinding and polishing machines, specifically designed for manufacturing plano optics up to 400 millimeters in diameter. These larger optics are used in a wide range of applications, including transmission flats, lightweight mirrors, and optical prisms. Last but certainly not least, we have a dedicated high-end metrology room that houses advanced equipment for testing optics, including atomic force microscopy, contact and non-contact coordinate measuring systems, and many interferometers. Leveraging these different tools, including many proprietary ones, not only allows us to measure optical component geometry and roughness, but also mid-spatial frequencies very accurately. Thank you for joining us in our tour of our Irvine World-Class Optics Manufacturing Center.